As you can see, I'm a little busy packing. I pack all of my baby supplies and also snacks. Do you wonder where we're going? Please follow us. Hello, I'm Bori and it's Bori's Korean. Just packing isn't enough. I care about my baby's outfit of the day. I think yellow pants would be good for that mint color shirt distributed by school. I'll take the gray one too just in case. Can you guess why I'm so excited? Today is the sports day of my kids' school. Would you like to take a look at the notice from school? Sports day is 운동회, 운동회 in Korean. I'm not the only one who is so excited. The school teachers even prepared cheering pickets. Aren't they lovely? Yeah, this is where the sports day events are held. Can any of you find me and my baby among these people? Of course not, because we're not there. I've never imagined a situation like this. We are the lonely outsiders here. Oh my. My baby girl is not that familiar with those situations with lots of people. So she has been very uncooperative since arriving here. It's like this little devil is leaving everybody out, but still cheering. What are you doing? If you're not going to participate, it's okay not to cheer so hard, baby. The school schedule is not her concern. Now it's lunchtime for her. Only for her. She had breakfast, she drank milk, but still she needs something to eat. A packed lunch is called 도시락 in Korean. 도시락, 도시락. This lunch was not made by me. Of course, I packed my and my baby's lunch, but I just left the lunchbox at my table in the morning and didn't bring it. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I know. I am that kind of person. When it's official lunchtime, she wants to do other activities. I'd rather ask her, "Since when have you been so active?" Seriously, she worked like this for more than an hour at lunchtime. I'm not mad because I couldn't eat lunch at all. No, I'm not. She works 아장아장. 아장아장 is the sound of a baby working in Korean. 아장아장. 아장아장. Even the sound of this expression is cute, isn't it? You know what? I used to be an active participant on the sports day in my school days. I used to love games. That's one of the reasons I expected the sports day so much. Now, I have my own sports day at home. You can cry for me if you want. Have an active day, everyone. Bye bye.